Hello, Jake, and today I'm going to be doing more work on the new Fiat 500 that arrived Friday. Clean it out, getting the seats out and everything in today's video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. I got about 6 or 7 new subscribers since the car has arrived, so thank you all. I'm sure you all can't wait to see the restoration, same as me. So yeah, we'll go ahead on that now. I want to get the seats up today and I can show you the engine because I've moved the car forward. So let's get going. Okay, so here we are, the back of the new Fiat 500. I'm going to take the boot off, go have a look under the bonnet as well, because there should be, a chassis number and everything under the bonnet. I'm going to get all this black tape off. Well, this might be alright because some more was costlier, but let's get the boot off. Very easy. Just there we go. There's the boot, brand new, so that will be put away, bubble wrapped up, out of the way, so it doesn't get damaged. So let's put that way over here. Right, so here's the engine. Yeah, we won't be using this one. It probably is repairable, doable to get back, and we probably will pull it up in the shed and work on it over time, clean it up as a spare engine. But I will be putting the 650 engine in this other 126, which I'm already working on up in the shed, and that's basically what I'm going to do with this one, put that in. I believe this is the 500 engine, but don't quote me on that because I'm not too sure. There's no exhaust left. There really isn't no exhaust. Okay, so there's the exhaust. Yeah, it's completely gone. We got the points actually in there. Don't think they are. Actual inside the engine's not too bad. It's completely gone down here, but obviously when we get the engine out, I think we're planning to take the engine out after Christmas or over Christmas. That's fairly new, but yeah, it's a mess. So yeah, we will put a bigger engine in this one, the 650, just because again I want to make it my own. I want to make it a little bit more powerful. I'll tell you now, if I ever end up with a third one to restore, it will be fully done to original spec. But because I love the Fiat 500 so much, I want to really make this my own. Nice interior, bigger engine and all that. Some people have said, oh, why don't you put a motorbike engine in the back? We could do that, we could. But I'm probably not going to. I don't feel the need to. I don't want stupid power. I mean, Yugo's plenty powerful enough with a 650 engine. If someone wants to do that to their Fiat 500, put a bike engine in, do it. They do sound nice and everything, but no, it's not for me. I'm also going to take this off today as well. And we'll get the seats out. There you go. Nothing. This wire. Quarter panel window. Put that somewhere out of the way so we don't break it. Put it here for now. Obviously some stuff I have to go through and make sure it's reusable. Not for this car, but for something else probably. seatbelts here. All tangled up and everything. Oh yes. We got seatbelts. That's great. Because I was going to buy some for Hugo. They would probably just go straight in my Fiat 500 Hugo. So that's good. Set of seatbelts. I did just see panel trim. Very clean, that could be tidied up and reused, so that's great. That's a good piece, that is. Just needs to clean that. There's hardly any rust on it, and what is on it will come off with a good clean. I believe this is for the rear window. Definitely reusable. Again, this all got to go in the shed somewhere as well. Move all to one side. There we go. So we'll take tyres off these and see what we can do with the rims. Just put it over here, that way. There we go. Dirty hands. Right, let's have a look under this bonnet and see if we can find a number. Tape off. Again, the bonnet's got to be coming off, but not for now. Just because, you know, wet. If wet does get in, I will be putting a tarp over it today. Tape. Move that out of the way. Right. Go. This is the first time I've looked under here, so can't even open it. Oh, there we go. Oh wow. No fuel tank. Okay. Right, got into the bonnet. What it was a bit too tight up here. It was catching. So what I've done is just loosen the bolts. But the bonnet can go back down. I haven't took it off completely. There's a fuel tank, it's down here. Not sure what that is, there's a battery trail somewhere. Right, sorry about the light keep going off. I have just ordered some proper lights, spotlights. Wow, the fuel tank's actually not that bad. I suspect they're a lot worse. Oh, we'll see. I'll clean it up. I do want a paint one actually in Italian stripes. Yeah, the Italian flag. So maybe this will be a test one. I probably will put a new one in there. Now, well, we'll see. If this one comes out alright, then obviously we can use it. Let me put that one out of the way. Right. So this is under the hood. Yeah, there's a log in here. I'd put that in here, just open the bonnet just now so I could unbolt it. Got a fuses over here. Now, one thing I haven't spoke about at all is the electrics. No idea what they're going to be like. So we will probably end up putting all new electrics in, new loom and everything, just because it's a full restoration. You may as well. Wow. One, what's this? I'm getting that out. There we go. Not too sure what that is. I haven't seen that part before. Let's have a look. Yeah, look, you can see my shoes. Hello. So yeah, all new front end. Well, there you go. I mean, we know all this. There's a master cylinder. Tell you what, can you see it? 3890 2455182. I can't read it that good, to be honest, but there's the Fiat in the top left, and there's the stamp, which that's fine because we don't have to replace none of this, so that should stay there. And then obviously this big hole in the side here, and obviously that goes down to the arches, so the inner sill. It would have been a lot easier if we took doors off. There we go. I'll be using them again. Wow. Maybe someone's been nesting in that actually. That was easy. New plan. We've got a bit of carpet out. So the floor, as you imagine, where the footwell is, completely gone. I'll show you in a second. We'll get the carpet out. I want to see is the centre part of the car, you know, where your gear stick is and that, because that might be good, which means then you only need the floors, but we ain't gonna really know until we roll it over. But there's nothing wrong in looking today. And that's how you keep the door open. I'll just put one of the wheels that was inside against it, so I want to get the floor out. Add carpet. Jump open, pulls out. For now. So here's the true state of the floor. Yeah. Obviously we're gonna have to replace all of that inner sills and that, but it's not as bad as I thought it was. I mean, it's bad, but when it came the first night, we looked underneath, you could see the carpet, and we thought, oh, the floor's completely gone. But that's what I wanted to look at. So there's our access to the gearbox. It's a bit of hell for, I don't know, something. But I don't think we need a complete floor, because you can buy the complete floor, you can get panels. So like this panel and that panel, that's probably what we're going to do, and then do one panel at a time, so you got the sturdiness still in the car. So say we done this side, then done the sill, or done the sill, then the floor, and then do the other side. We're going to roll the car over and stick it on its side in there, obviously on spongy stuff, make sure we don't cause any more damage. But no, there's the floor. That's what I wanted to see today. That's what. Let me grab my torch so you can see. There's the original tan interior, but no, that's not bad at all. I mean, there's a little bit over here rust, but no, it's all there. I just need to get this back bit out, seat on that. There you go. But yeah, so there we go. That's gonna be it for today's video. I'm gonna do a bit more clean now, just get some of the bits out and everything, but we can see the floor now. We've looked under the bonnet, we've saw the chassis number. I don't know, if you know anyone where you can look up chassis numbers and that, please do let me know. I was told this come from southern Italy, so I don't know if you can, you know, trace the car back or anything. I know it's an ancestry, but same kind of thing. That's what I would like to do. I've always wanted to find out, because Hugo come from Verona, I think. So, which is Verona's North Italy, Northern. But yeah, there we go. So I'll get the rear seats out now, and when we come back in the next video, hopefully we'll start doing little bits on it. I mean, we're not going to be starting welding anytime soon yet, but there'll be bits we can do and everything. So there we go. I've got a lot done today. I'm sweating, even though it's freezing cold outside. But yeah, the carpet's good. I mean, the carpet's more or less new, I think. I think Darren just threw that in there, which is great. I'm probably not going to use on this one. Like I said, I want to make my own interior and everything. But thank you, Darren, for chucking the carpet in. I can use it on future Fiats, I'm sure. There's the seats. So we got all of that out. The car's cleared out completely now. You can see the damage of the floor. If you want to see more on this car, please remember to like and subscribe. And I can't wait to do more work on it. I'll leave the bonnet on for now. And we'll get that off in the next video probably. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and I shall see you soon. Bye for now.